In this video, I will show you how to use the YouTube Shorts Remix feature. First, launch open YouTube app, log into your account. Now find the short or regular video that you want to remix. Tap on the video, then look for the remix button and tap on it. Here you will find several options including use this sound, collab, green screen and cut this video. Choose use this sound if you only want to use the video's audio in your own short. Use the collab option to record your video side by side with the original similar to a duet. Select green screen to use the original video as your background while you record yourself in the foreground. Choose cut this video if you want to clip 1 to 5 second segment from the original video and include it in your short. After selecting your preferred remix option, record your footage, add any text, filters or effects you want, then tap next and upload to publish your short. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.